natin makahanap ng pwedeng pwedeng makakita ng tao mo. Diba? There, nakita mo yung guys. Loud enough. So, I'm here to give you entertainment. Okay. Like this is my friend. Hi.
I'm from Amsterdam. So I'm a magician. So I'm a friend of my brother.
Okay.
I want you to isa lang. So, come on. Rapid na tayo. Babang, sabi mo pag-stop, right?
Pwede pa kabilis ah.
Yes, yeah.
How much?
7.
How much ah?
Sorry. Kailangan. So, this is your card. Right? This is the last stop of your set. What is your card? What is this? So, meron ako ditong marker. Gusto ko pumano siya. Gusto ko yung pangalan mo hindi mo sa kanya. Pangalan mo talaga. Or kahit call name ng mahal mo, it's okay. So, alam natin na may pangalan so natin yung word. Yung card mo is nasa ipapakandet ko. Marker. So,
Wala ka kasi man na yung boses.
So, yung card mo, i-paste down ko. What's your card? Right? So, ganito. So, nasa yung card mo? Nasa gitna sa ba?
In the middle.
So, maniniwala ako, pag nag-snap ako, magbabago yung color ng card mo. Did you believe it?
I don't think so.
So, let's try. So, I'm gonna yung card. 7, right? So, I gonna snap 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. And naka sa shadow. 7. So, when naka sa shadow, actually, nag-change yung color ng card mo.
Oh.
May nawala ka ba ito yung card mo? Actually, you didn't believe it, right? So, let's see. This is your card?
No.
Oh, shit. Oh, so again. I snap. This is your card.
Oh my god!